that you need to find out, okay, so from here, can you start posting highlight videos of AEW? Because WWE is really good at blocking that stuff. It's really hard to get like actual wrestling like clips onto YouTube and have it get there and stay monetized, because WWE is really good at blocking it, mostly because they have their own really big YouTube channel, right? Well, AEW so far, from the looks of it, is not really blocking these highlight videos from getting monetized. Probably because they're trying to gain momentum. So as you guys know, AEW, right, they just started, like I said, and so they're trying to kind of get eyeballs on their product. And any company that's trying to get eyeballs on their product usually is okay and actually happy with other people sharing their content, because it's getting more eyes on the product as a whole, okay? So that's what I'm seeing with AEW. So if you go into YouTube and you type in AEW highlights, you will see here a ton of different videos with a ton of views on them, because AEW is a really hot topic right now. But if you look here, AEW Dynamite, their first show on TNT on Wednesday. So as you can see here, all this is highlights of it, and you will see that they have ads all over this video. So as you can see here, they have ads literally all over this video, and this is just some guy who's posting it. So, as you can see here, this is an opportunity to literally just take clips from the TNT show from AEW, post that, you know, cut it up into compilations, and you can get a ton of views on this, because some people don't have time to watch the show or whatever, and they just like watching highlights. AEW, it looks like, doesn't want to block it. Probably, like I said, they want to get more eyes on their product. So here's another one right here. So this is just a clip from Chris Jericho from someone's phone that someone probably just found on YouTube and posted. This has almost 1 million views, guys. They probably just found this video that someone posted with their phone, took it, uploaded it, and as you can see, put ads on it, and it's just Chris Jericho talking at AEW Live. And they were able to get 1 million views on this, guys, in a very short period of time, guys. So that shows how easy this can be, especially with this one, because it's not really owned by anybody. It's just the guy that took it with their phone, or probably a compilation of people who took clips from their phones from the show. And so those are the opportunities you want to look for here. Here's another one. This is just highlights from the pay-per-view that AEW had. The guy put some music to it and then showed the highlights. So he's got commentary over the music, right? The wrestling commentary. They don't talk in the video at all whatsoever. And this is just a compilation video of highlights. And as you can see, it has ads on it, guys. And again, this has 136,000 views. So this is a new opportunity that I personally have been trying to take advantage of, and I think you guys should as well. So I thought I would share that with you guys today. Really huge opportunity that I see coming, because like I said, WWE really wants to block that sort of thing, because they have a really huge YouTube channel.